about them? For anybody that don't know about Western plows, this is what you got.
What are those?
These are the receivers. This is Western receivers. There is a right and there is a left. The tricky part is just pushing them. Should have my gloves on. Taking the clips out. It goes in like this. Give it a little wiggle. Come through. Flip. Got your receivers, that's what you drive into. That's how you drive into it, folks. You look at this right here. Control this. With a little wiggle. I got to drive a little further into it. I thought it was far enough.
This is an easy way to clean the garage too.
Yeah, that's a good way to clean your garage too. Now, there you go. And there's that. Done. Now you just connect the two wires. Right here. That big one. That's the light changeover, auxiliary, button lights. There's the main power.
The lights automatically swap when you plug it in?
Yep.
That's neat.
That's the main power.
Is that mostly a Western thing, or all of them do that?
Oh, all of them do it. The Western's the way to go, I believe. A lot of money, bang for your buck. Heavy duty product.
Op check complete.
Again, show you how fast it is.
How much does that setup weigh? Can I throw that on my little Datsun?
No, you can't.
Why not?
This right here weighs about 848 pounds. Mainly set up for a heavier duty truck. I could get a heavier one.
So you're saying putting all that weight way out front is going to really pull down on your truck? You better have a heavy duty truck.
Well, it's a 1 ton.
That's a wonton.
Yep.
Like the stuff you put in soup? Wonton? Oh, got it. Okay.
But that being said, I could go with a greater, heavier plow. I don't need it. This is perfect for my needs.
You tried that V thing, didn't you?
Yes, I did.
Did you like it?
It was too much work on the truck. I didn't want to hurt my truck.
Oh, did it feel like you were working on
Yeah, I felt like I was
driving a boat?
Yeah.
The V out front, the bow.
not only that, this right here,
Yeah.
if you want this package, this is a 2021. If you want a package like this, plow minus truck, that's everything you see out front, minus truck equipment, you're looking at about $6,700. It's an 8-foot. It's a contractor grade, pro grade, highly recommended. I've never had no downtime. Keep everything up, the fluids,
What fluid?
the maintenance.
What do you got for fluid? What do you mean?
It's right here. This
What is
how
that?
You drain it. You get up underneath the cover.
Oh, what is this black thing?
That's the hydraulics. That's the ram.
Oh.
2 other rams. If you look at all my hoses, everything's tight and nice. I use a product.
Product.
Spray it on there over the winter time or summertime. Like for hoses and belts. Stuff to just keep that stuff in good shape.
So you got to pull the cover to check the fluid?
We'll do that shortly. But if you want, I can show you a release of the plow like it never happened.
No. I think you got it, Ed.
Right out to the front yard.
You're going to drive her out to the front. Okay.
Pull it right around.
All right. I'll catch you later, Ed.
You take care now.
Yeah, you get on out of here. You get out that road there, Eddie. You move it out there. Oh yeah, oh yeah, that's what I was thinking. You got clear as plow. I'll do it. Ooh, he did. He did good right there. He did good right there. There he goes, Mr. Ed. I don't think I can catch him. He'll be out there before I get there. I can see part of his truck. I'm catching up with him. There he goes. He's up on the hill. That's him. There he is. Watch that traffic out there. It's getting so crazy on me.